I don't know, don't know, I don't know.
On the last episode of D-Bus Life, we made it onto the island of Ometepe, Nicaragua. This time we will be going up Cascada San Ramon and keep watching to see how our friend Shawn almost died on us.
I don't know, don't know, I don't know, don't know.
This is the steepest hill the bus has ever went down. We are in first gear.
Well, you're going really fast now, no?
But I hope it will go nice and smooth. That one was one of the most stressful hills going down. It was so steep. I don't know if it looks steep on the camera, but it was really steep. Now we got one more to go. I think we're gonna take a bit of time to let the brakes cool down.
I don't know, don't know, I don't know, don't know, I don't know, don't know.
Avance tranquillement. Encore un peu. T'es-tu capable d'aller à droite? Attends un peu, arrête, arrête. We've got small issues with the electrical wires. It's a bit tight. Okay. Woo. Oh, fix that all right. All right, so we made it down the road. Good news. Now let's get back down. Now we can make our way down to the waterfalls today. So hey, we're back. It's been, what, 3 days we're on the island now?
Yeah, 3 days.
And we've just been chilling at our Eco Lodge doing not much. And today we decided to go on a little adventure. So we are at the Cascada.
We're at Cascada San Ramon, so we'll go hike the mountain here. We have about 3 kilometers up and 3 kilometers down, and we have apparently a 64-meter waterfall up there, so we'll go see it.
Hopefully it's really hot, so hopefully it goes well. We're going to be in the jungle. It's really humid right now here, so hopefully it's good. So I'd say we're halfway up the mountain up to the waterfalls. It is sweaty hot. As you can see, Kat's sweating from her knees. I'm sweating from everywhere. And hopefully we can get up there and there's a nice little water puddle to get in and swim. Hopefully it's nice and cool. How are you, Shawn?
Más bueno. Más bueno.
You surviving?
I'm in it now. I need to Need my 2-minute rest.
Let's go. We're ready to go.
Let's go get it. I feel like we're there now.
So just to tell you guys how warm it is up here in the jungle, our friend Shawn just scared the shit out of us. He was just bawling his head out at us and convulsing on the ground. I guess his body started overheating. I don't know if he was out of water or something, but I got here just in time, put some water all over his body, get his body to cool down, and I guess we're gonna wait for a little bit, and we're gonna head up. We're 5 minutes away to the waterfall, get him up there in the water, get him to cool down.
The circulation to my hands, so.
This was getting quite scary. We got our friend Shawn here that was yelling at me because it's so warm in the jungle. He was passing out, and I saved his life.
And he's safe. He brought hydration back to my life. Man, oh man.
So, you feeling better, Shawn, now?
Death in life.
Like a brand new Shawn there.
It's the dichotomy, my
Get
friend.
your second breath now.
Yeah, second wind, my second hydration.
We'll get you up there.
Oh yeah, we're getting there. Well, we're gonna get up there.
So we made it up to the waterfall. Shawn almost died on us. 5 minutes away from the waterfall.
That's too close to die.
Oh yeah, that's way too close. You almost missed out this.
Yeah.
So we just made it back down of the waterfall. We're pretty disappointed because when we were at the top, there's some girl that told us that the waterfall was to the left while we were going to the right, and I guess to the left was a small waterfall. So we never made it up after a 3-hour hike. We were 15 minutes away from the big waterfall where we could have swam. So we didn't get to swim, so we're gonna bring you guys to Ojo de Agua. We still got an hour and a half before sun goes down, so we'll go for a little swim. Just picked up a local guy. He was with his bicycle and a huge bag of oranges. I don't know how much it must weigh, but we offered him a ride, and he was happy that we gave him a ride. He's on. We're gonna go drop him off a couple kilometers further. That'll help him out quite a bit, and he's giving us a couple fresh oranges in exchange. So this is it. This morning we will be going up Concepcion volcano. This volcano's 1,600 feet or meters?
Meters.
Meters, and we start at 130 meters that we are starting. So it's gonna be a good hike. Only 50% of the people usually make it halfway, and 25% of the people make it all the way up. So hopefully we can bring everyone to the top and have a nice view, but I think we're gonna have quite a few clouds on the top. Whew, I'm already out of breath and we just started. Taking a little taxi ride. How is it?
Burning.
Just got bit by ants. So we made it up at 800 meters right now. We are halfway up the volcano. So I'm happy it went pretty well. This is where 50% of the people usually quit. So let's see if we are part of the 25% that will make it up to the top. Will you be able to make it? It's really warm, but the wind is starting to pick up.
Nice view.
Yeah, we've got view of clouds right now. There's nothing to see, but I think on our way back down is when we're gonna have a better view. The clouds should be going up, so. I'm out of breath. It's getting very hard to go up. The trail is closing in. There's like all the grass is growing in. We don't really see where we're putting our feet down. It's getting very hard, but he said we're 20 minutes away. And the view is in the clouds, like we expected, but I'm not gonna quit, even if there's no view. I'm gonna make it all the way up. See you on the top. Right here in this hole, there is so much heat coming out of the volcano. I can't even put my hand into the hole. It is so hot. So here we are, the last couple meters before getting into the crater. Let's go. We're almost there. So we are now sitting on the top of the crater. The crater is right behind me. We can't really see nothing because the air is quite cold up here, and I'm sitting down on the ground, and the ground is really hot on my butt. So the lens keeps condensing, so we can't see nothing into the lens. So this is gonna be the end, and I think I'm gonna put the camera into the backpack on the way down because it was quite dangerous going up, and I think it's gonna be worse on the way down. So hopefully everything goes well on the way down. Is this the one that if you get bit you die?
Lo acaban de... Es el único, que la serpiente es el venenoso, pero no es el falso, es el coral, el falso.
Ah, ¿es el falso?
Sí, es el falso.
We finally found a howler. Now hopefully he'll howl. this is the end of the hike. Kat's legs look like she drank a 26 of vodka or rum or whatever. She's stumbling everywhere. So that's how hard the volcano was. Look at these white feet. And blisters on the hills. On both hills.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Super dirty.
Yeah. So it's cerveza time and shower time. We are now leaving the island of Ometepe in Nicaragua. We will keep driving south and bring you guys in the next episode on the beautiful Caribbean beaches of Costa Rica. See you next time.